start giving you some things about Star Stable in the wintertime. There are things you might not recognize, and also things that you might be stoked about. It's easy to do quests, but if you can't tell if you're in a highly area, if you're in a non-pathed area, I'll show you. If you're over here, wait, it just, I can't find it just yet. Yeah. Ooh. Actually, I'm gonna change the video, guys. Sorry I gave you that really bad intro. But I'm doing a great video on the cyclone. Hope you like the cyclone video. Yeah, this is gonna be a great video. I love doing videos like this. So hard to do. Have you ever had problems with the big snow? Yeah, you see all these big snow groups. It's hard. Like, don't you think? It's really hard. Hey, we can talk to Rowan. Let me through, everyone. I'm on the tall horse. Hey, someone's on the donut. Like, I'm just gonna leave you guys to have a look at that. Maybe I'm just gonna do my quick invert. Ooh, yes, my tokens. What do I do? What am I supposed to do? Okay, I know I just had to look at my map, and I have to go do some finding sort of things. My game's kind of glitching a lot now. Why is it glitching? I'm confused, everyone. Everyone, do you know what to do? Why is everyone huddling up here? Is everyone alright? We have to clear the snow before everything comes. Oh boy. It's hard when everyone's around. Difficult, everyone. I'm trying to do this well, okay. I'm gonna go somewhere else because everyone's crowding over here. I'm not doing it. Oh, great. I have to do that. Just leave everyone. Okay, I should have... It's so hard with all this snow. We might not even be able to get it done, guys. Oh my god. So annoying. The snow is taking so long to do. Wait. I'm gonna ask someone who can read. Mom, what does this say? What does that say?
You need to hurry, the snow builds up again fast. You need to hurry, the snow builds up again fast. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. You made it.
Alright guys, I'm just gonna go talk to Rowan and then I'm gonna finish the video. Because I'm trying to keep it to a certain time at the moment. But thank you for joining this video with me. Just gonna talk to Rowan before I go. Just gonna talk to him, make sure that he's all good, I'm all good, we're all good. Just hope that nothing really bad happens. Because these cyclones are getting really bad, guys. I was here today. Also, like, I saw something else happen. It was really bad. Counting some math. Oh my god, I was so tired. My fingers are so sore now with all the clicking. Alright everyone, that was a nice video with you guys. Hope you join me sometime. I'm doing videos every day. So if you can, I will shout out in my videos. So if you watch my new coming out videos, subscribe. Also, if you watch a new video, like watch as soon as it happens. I will post it each day. My video I'm posting today. Tomorrow I'm posting the video. The next day after tomorrow. Every day I'm posting the video. So watch the start of that video. I will tell you where I am, and then I will like literally just do a video with you guys if you want to join my videos and stay with me around. So that was a great video with you guys, and I hope you liked it. I hope you liked my first video, and I hope I will see you sometime and stuff.